If you want to make money online, then you must sign up for ClickBank affiliate account and promote niche and profitable ClickBank products. ClickBank is the most popular and largest affiliate marketplace in online industry. ClickBank affiliate program is only one on the web that pays highest percentage of commission. ClickBank affiliate program pays up to 75% commission of the price per each sale to make. When you sign up and create a ClickBank affiliate account, you can create affiliate link for product you want to promote, and that will earn your commission when a customer click on your link and buy a product. Today I am going to share with you how to sign up for ClickBank affiliate account. Then I will provide you a link to sign up with ClickBank affiliate program to get a complete website. I will provide a link in description below to follow. So please watch this video to the end to get all details. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Let's get started. Once you click on my provided link to sign up free with ClickBank affiliate account, you will come up on this page. Fill out all details as required, like your country, your name, last name, create the password and username, that will be your ID. Please provide all your personal detail correctly, as you will need all that credential later on. You are going to be affiliate with most popular and top level online marketplace, so all your personal and financial details must be correct. I personally recommend that you must read all note and policy before you go any further. Once you receive your login detail like your ClickBank ID and password, you should go through all menu on top of the website to get familiar with ClickBank website. As soon as you click first link on my video description, you will come up on this page. For turnkey ClickBank affiliate website, you will be directed on this page. You will see this turnkey ClickBank website membership offer is right here. Click image to sign up today. This membership is on sale for limited time only. Price will go up to regular price very soon. Does not require domain and hosting. Your affiliate link will be fully hosted for free. With this membership purchase, you will receive 5 autopilot websites that update product with your affiliate link automatically, plus 18 more individual niche websites. You don't need any domain or any hosting. Your affiliate link will be hosted for free. You can promote that link to drive traffic to your website to make a sale and earn up to 75% commission for each sale. And this is your demo. Main store. It's look like this. Over 10,000 products with your affiliate link, and you does not need any domain or hosting. Everything included. Store number 2. Entire ClickBank with your affiliate link. Over 10,000 products. Store number 3. Each store contains over 10,000 products. This is all the products are same, but the website set up different way, different theme and different design. All products and your affiliate link will be the same. Store number 4. All categories: women's health, weight loss, everything include with your membership. Store number 5. When you visit a click, they go with the affiliate link. These 5 stores plus you also receive 18 this small niche store for each category individually. Women's e-book store, weight loss, tattoos, six-pack abs, muscle building, men's health, make money online, keyword spy tool, get your ex back, Forex review site, day trading, dating and romance, credit repair. This is best credit repair review website. Will be yours. Less than $40. Colon cleansing. Casino and betting. Affiliate link. Body detox. Affiliate marketing. Acne removal. So these all 18 sites plus these 5 websites, all you need that link with your affiliate link, and it's already hosted, so no domain and no hosting required, and price will be less than $40. You can't get a dinner for $40. So plus you also receive a WordPress plugin that creates a ClickBank site, very few clicks. Plus you will also receive a WordPress plugin that creates beautiful ClickBank WordPress site with very few clicks. However, your WordPress website will require a domain name and hosting. Plus, you also have option. This is the plugin. You can see the demo website when you click here. With the WordPress plugin, you can create this type of website. All the category automatically set up here. With your affiliate link. And all products updates and deletes automatically. As soon as new product comes in the market, it comes on your website. If something out of product or out of stock, something happened, the product delete itself. So this is all category. Outdoor nature. Outdoor nature, see. This will not include it. You need to pay for the extra for this. Spokesperson. This spokesperson is not included with your website. You must buy separately. You can contact us on the main website. Plus you have option to upgrade with review website. So if you pay another less than $40 after you receive all 5 websites plus all 18 individual niche websites plus your WordPress plugin, that included in your first membership. But if you want to upgrade with the review website with very small fees under $40, include over 10,000 review product, and you click, you see that's the digital store right here. See, beautiful, all set up, all products update automatically with your affiliate link. Anything you sell, you can make up to 75%. All you need to drive traffic to your website. If you want to sign up with the ClickBank, is the link right here. Sign up and fill out all the stuff as I mentioned early in this video. So that's it for today. I personally recommend that you should buy this very soon, because this membership is on sale for limited time only, and price will go up to regular price very soon. So that's it for today, and I personally recommend that you must buy a program with lifetime membership, and you will be glad for your investment. And thank you for watching. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the bell of notification, so you will get notification as soon as I upload a new video. I wish you best luck for all your future projects. See you later next time.